Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. 2nd of June, again, we're looking at gold. We had a nice move to the downside yesterday, and now we have a nice move back to the upside today. As you can see, we still have a trend line, staircase down. We're not able to break under to go bearish. So for now, we're still within the grinder on daily time frames. Looking at it on a 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we had a nice move to the upside. We had a nice pullback, and now we are within inside the range. That's our high, and obviously that's our low. We just created a high low, but we're almost a high over here as well. So sorry, a lower high over here. We're back into, as you can see, a nice major supply area right now. We just tapped into that supply. What's next from here is we go down to the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, if we have created a leg, second leg, this is our third leg, then we can take a pullback to make a fourth leg if we're still going to be bullish. So this area of interest at the moment does make sense to go shorts, and if you look left, as you can see, multiple times we've had problems in this area, problems over here. So if you're going to go short, that would be the target to go short from this supply zone. If the market is going to go create another leg to this and then go back up, it will be a counter trend, it will be a position, or whatever you want to say, and this could keep pulling through and break yesterday's structure and go down to this zone again. We're not sure what gold wants to do right now. This is everything. We're talking about probabilities. For me to get my higher probability would be if gold can go liquidate these stops, and as I can see, there's also stops sitting here. So I would love gold to go at least pick up some stops from this zone, come back in, and then create some sort of structure for me around here, maybe break it, retest this zone and hold. Then I will take a short. That will be a short. This will be just a hope that gold is going to go and make another leg down to go back up. So this is more of a counter trend, less probability than if gold took these stops out, came back in, then created a lower high. Then yes, I will take that, and obviously that will still be my target. So that's what we have for today. Looking at it, we're not sure what gold's gonna do. As you can see, we've broken down gold for a while now, for several weeks. As we can see, we've had a nice move to the downside, pulled back up, created a lower low, came back in, wasn't able to create a higher high, so we created a lower high, came back in, we weren't able to create a lower low, and all we've been doing is just grinding in this area, staircase down. But it looks like even with the staircase down, we're still not able to break under this zone again. So since we're not able to break under that zone, we can't be bearish on gold. We're just playing the zones, and you just have to know exactly where you are. Is gold digesting? Is gold waiting for something? We're not sure about that. A lot of people are saying gold is pricing in recession. Some people are saying gold is pricing in the next chaos, and the market is going to go to the hell because of the uncertainty in the Middle East, and gold is going to become safe haven again. For us, we're just going to have to watch and see what the market gives us. I'm looking at it on a daily time frame. For me, I'm not going to be bearish on gold until we get something closer down here, a retest. Yes, then I will sell, and I'll be looking for this zone as a big seller. For now, it's zone to zone, and I'm building my zones accordingly based on a 4-hour. I just look left, and I know over here we've had multiple. That's a good area. So now my zone has been chopped into 3. As you can see, that's how I've been trading it. Now, every time we come here, if we can peak above, come back in, that's our high, create a lower high, come in, give me a move, then I'll try to take this again and see how far this goes. Goes further, even better. But so far, as you can see, nothing is happening apart from just these little traps that we're getting. And as you can see, we trap buyers over there and we trap sellers over here. So anyone that went short here got liquidated, and anyone that went long over there got liquidated. So be very, very careful. Gold is range bounding. This is your range. Nothing has happened. If you're going to be bullish, you need gold to give you something like take out these stops. As you can see, that zone, there's a nice zone. Come in, give you a rejection, hold, then take off. Otherwise, and if you're going to be bearish, you want gold to come in, break under, hold, and then go down. Until then, this is the zone that you have. Staircase down, you have a nice base, and as we're talking, did we just see what we were expecting it to do? If you go back to my previous videos, I said, are we setting up for some sort of inverted head and shoulders? You'll never know until the market shows you a sign and shows you hand. Just be very vigilant and know exactly what you're dealing with. This is purely scalper's market at the moment. Have a great day.